Here at Biggs Harley-Davidson, we have a 2015 CVO Limited in color gold and carbon. The 110 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner installed a Reinhardt exhaust. This bike comes with everything you need for long distance touring, including lower fairing, highway pegs, a rider backrest, hard lockable saddlebags, a tour pack, a luggage rack, cruise control, and more. This bike has only 4,091 miles. Let's listen to the exhaust. That sounds great. It looks brand new. Absolutely beautiful bike. Fresh out of detail, fresh out of service, and available for test rides 7 days a week at Biggs Harley-Davidson in San Marcos.